Hi, Kuiera here with eXp Realty. Today I'm going to be discussing with you the timeline when it comes to buying a home. Now we know that buying a home is a significant milestone in life, but it can also be a complex process that requires careful planning and a clear timeline. In this video, I'm going to provide you an overview of the typical home buying timeline, breaking down the essential steps from pre-approval to closing. Understanding this timeline can help you navigate the process with confidence and ensure a smooth transition into your new home. The first step we're going to go over is the pre-approval, which usually is 2 to 3 months before the house hunting. Duration, 1 to 2 weeks. Pre-qualification. Contact a mortgage lender to determine how much you can afford and get pre-qualified. This helps you set a realistic budget for your home search. Gather financial documents. Prepare documents such as pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements for the pre-approval process. Credit check. Lenders will run a credit check during pre-approval to assess your credit worthiness. Next, we're going to look at step 2, which is the house hunting, which can take anywhere from 2 to 6 months. The duration of that varies widely. Define your criteria. Work with a real estate agent to establish your must-haves and preferences for a home. Visit properties, tour homes that meet your criteria, considering factors like location, size, condition, and the price. Submit offers. When you find the right one, submit an offer through your agent. Negotiate with the seller if necessary. Step 3 is offer acceptance and escrow. That usually takes 1 to 2 months, and the duration of that is typically anywhere from 30 to 45 days. An accepted offer. Once your offer is accepted, you'll enter into a contract with the seller. You want to go ahead and get your home inspection. Arrange for a professional home inspection to uncover any potential issues. You also want to get an appraisal. Your lender will order an appraisal to ensure the home's value matches the loan amount. You also want to secure financing. Work with your lender to finalize your mortgage application and secure financing. Next up, we have step 4, which is the closing process. That can take 4 to 6 weeks. The duration is typically 30 to 45 days. In that time frame, you want to do a title search. A title company will perform a title search to ensure there are no liens or ownership disputes on the property. Next, you're going to have a closing disclosure. Review the closing disclosure document detailing the final terms and cost of the loan. Next, you're going to have your final walkthrough. Conduct a final walkthrough to ensure the property is in the expected condition. Excuse me, I've got tongue tied there. Closing meeting. Attend the closing meeting, sign the necessary documents, and pay any remaining closing costs. Step 5 is closing day. That usually takes 1 day. The duration, 1 day. You have your transfer of ownership. The deed is transferred and you officially become the homeowner. You receive your keys. Collect the keys to your new home and celebrate your purchase. Step 6, post-closing. That's ongoing. Now, in the post-closing, you're going to have your move-in. Coordinate your move-in and start settling into your new home. You have home maintenance. Begin regular home maintenance and make any desired renovations. You have budget and payments. Continue making mortgage payments and budget for home ownership expenses. Home ownership expenses. So to sum it all up, the home buying process is a journey that involves multiple steps and can take several months from start to finish. Understanding the typical timeline from the pre-approval to closing is essential for a successful and stress-free experience. Working with experienced professionals, such as a real estate agent and a mortgage lender, can help you navigate each step and make informed decisions along the way. Ultimately, The goal is to find the perfect home and successfully transition into homeownership with confidence. If you need any further information, please feel free to reach out. My contact information is listed below. Have a wonderful day.